AWS System Manager. AWS System Manager allows the cloud user to centralize operational data for multiple AWS services and automate tasks across the AWS resources. So basically, AWS System Manager Explorer is a customizable dashboard which provides key insight and analysis into operational health and performance of the AWS environment. Ops Center, which provides central location where operations engineer and IT professional can view, investigate and resolve the operational issue related to AWS resources. So basically it get access information such as event, resource, account detail, past ops item with similar characteristics, related AWS config changes, CloudTrail log, then CloudWatch alarm, stack information, other information. So incident manager, it enables faster resolution of critical application availability and performance issues. So application manager helps the user to investigate and remediate issues with AWS resource. App config helps the user to deploy application configuration in a managed and monitored way, just like code deployment, parameter store. So AWS System Manager provides a centralized store to manage the configuration data, whether plain text data such as database string or secret such as password. It helps in separating the secrets and configuration data from the code. Change Manager simplifies the way the user requests, approve, implement and report the operational changes to the application. Automation, so it allows to safely automate common and repetitive IT operations and management tasks. Maintenance window, which schedule the window for run administrative and maintenance work. Fleet Manager streamlines the remote server management process. Compliance, it automatically aggregate displays operational data for each resource group. Inventory, collect the information about the instances and software installed on them. Session Manager, it's provide browser based interactive shell or CLI for managing the Windows and Linux instances without the need of inbound port. Manage SSH and use based on host. Run command, it helps to safely and securely run the command. State Manager provides configuration management. Patch Manager helps to select and deploy the operating system software patches automatically. Distributor helps to securely distribute and install software packages such as software agents and connect with ITSM, IT enabled service management such as Jira service desk. And this is the description of the Secret Manager. As we already discussed, Secret Manager easily rotate, manage and retrieve database credential, API keys and other secret information through the life cycle. Benefits: rotate secretly and safely, manage access with fine-grained policies securely, and secure and audit secrets centrally. Pay-as-you-go model it follows, and easily replicate secrets to multiple regions.